Welcome back to my channel, guys. I made this sketchbook from in my shorts videos. Please check it out. It's not so beautiful, that's why this channel is called Prototype, guys. I'm trying to practice to make things better. So this one, I got a black cardboard, and then I'm using it as a final cover for my sketchbook. So I got this pattern to the size of the sketchbook, of course, and then by doing an indentation, and then so I cut it, but I'm carefully not making, or did not make any indentation in the spine of the or middle part of the covering, so it will not have any, so it will be seamless. And then I tried to center it, guys, but still I cannot. I'm always like that, guys. Whenever I'm already about to finish, I'm stressed, and then I'm not able to make a perfect product. So that's why that's the name of the channel, Prototypes. So I'm trying to cultivate hope, guys, so I can last. I can end. I can end things beautifully. You get me, guys? Okay, so please check out also my exercise discipline in eating and discipline in exercising channel, link below the description box. So guys, I'm trying to cover this entirely, embracing the entire book with this cardboard. Ay, how do you say the term? Basta guys, ganon. You've seen the idea. So yes, so you can make your own diary, sketchbook, notebook, which is interesting, guys, isn't it? So yes, that's it. Prototypes YouTube channel. Please support my channel, guys. I appreciate it. Like, share, and comment so I can go on with my journey on this one. Please check out, guys.